Hey guys, good morning. So I wanted to come on here really quickly just to do a quick TA on Bitcoin before I leave. I'm actually gonna be out of town for the next like couple of 12 hours or so. So I might not be able to go live today. Might be able to go live tomorrow. But I really wanted to come in and talk about Bitcoin because I think that there's a very strong chance right now of us actually breaking that 48.7 level. Um, Keep in mind, the daily actually just had a full, bullish, a brand new bullish candle get created today, which will close bullish in 9 hours or so. So if we stick with this momentum, then fantastic, right? But again, the 4 hour always give, always give bigger time frames or higher time frames the more more credit. The 4 hour is is weakening towards the bearish side, and we're starting to create clear tops on the stochastic. But if you actually go to the hour chart, we are about to break on the bull side right now. And last time we actually broke on the bull side, we actually reacted pretty nicely, and you went from lows of actually. Let me just do the forecast because I want to do this accurately. So you actually went from lows of 46.9, all the way up to to what is it? To 48,775, and you had a move of $1,800 in around 6 hours. So we are gonna. It looks like we are gonna be breaking bullish again, possibly maybe by like 10, 12 in the morning or so. We'll have to wait and see. Once that happens, if we're still trading around this area for Bitcoin, we can maybe expect another 1,800 move to the upside. So we can maybe hit something like right here, right? We can maybe hit a $50,000 Bitcoin sometime today if we have the same reaction that we had back here on the reverse MACD, the same up here. And also keep in mind, we're already oversold in the stochastic, right? We're already around this 80 level. So if you guys already know how much crypto likes to rally when we're already oversold. So if we do create an hour trigger, an hour bullish trigger close, I could definitely see this move to the upside, and that hour can actually change the 4 hour and actually give us right here like a nice a bigger red candle like we did back here for the reverse MACD. So a bigger momentum candle to the upside. So you might actually see like a bright red candle get created here, and that's exactly what happened on the daily, right? You had that huge move on the hour, right, or also on the 4 hour, right? So you had this on the hour, you had this past move on the hour on the 4 hour chart, which went ahead and rechanged the format on the daily, right? Which gave us this brand new, really bright, daily candle on the reverse MACD, which is really good. So again, keep in mind, the hour right now definitely has the power to change the direction of the 4 hour. The 4 hour, you have weakening bullish momentum, right? And if it creates another bear trigger, and this does not break, and if 48,725 is not broken by the time that this 4 hour candle closes bullish or closes bearish, then I can definitely see a move all the way back down to maybe, I don't know, like 47 or something, or probably even lower. You know, Probably to like this area here, or maybe even lower to here. But again, you look at the hour right now. If you're using my reverse MACD, look at the hour. Wait for the actual hour bullish, trigger for it to actually give us an hour bullish close. See how strong it actually pushes up. If it closes bullish and all we're doing is trading sideways and not breaking 48.7, then expect the drop to at least 47K all over again. I'll tell you guys that right now. Um, but again, keep in mind what's going to happen when the hour pushes bullish. If it pushes bullish and we break up here, then awesome. More than likely we can definitely see a 50K Bitcoin sometime this weekend. But if we actually trigger bullish on the hour and all we're doing is trading sideways and we don't break 48.72, then I would probably open another short here because there's a strong chance that we go back to 47K. So, I'll see you guys later. I'm expecting, there's not real too much to expect right now. All I want for Bitcoin to do is down here is to actually close a bullish trigger. If we end up breaking this, then fantastic. If we end up just closing bullish on the hour and all you're doing is trading sideways and you're not breaking 48.721, I fully expect it to drop like right here somewhere. And if that actually happens, if you actually see a bull trigger on the hour, and all you're doing is trading sideways and not moving up, I'm 100% opening up another short here because I'm expecting it to drop. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye bye.